Hello YouTube, this is Mike again, back with another video. Well, today I'm doing maintenance on my Goblin 500, my old Goblin 500. Guys, maintenance. I tried to maintenance my helicopters, but normally before I go out and fly, I'll make sure everything's oiled. I will check screws to make sure screws are tight. But this is an old helicopter. So I went out to fly this the other day and I picked it up by the head to walk out to fly it, and I felt something give away. What gave away was the links going to the head. They gave away. This helicopter's old. I guess their links have gotten brittle. So the heli gods was looking out for me, because if I would have went out there and flew this thing, it probably would have came apart on me in the air. So yeah, after that, I looked at the rest of the links. It's like 3 more. They have cracks in them. So it's a bad situation going on. But I got a bunch of new links, and so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put new links in and set the head back up. But I just wanted to let you guys know, be careful, especially if you have older helicopters. Maintenance, check your links. Like I say, the heli gods was looking out for me. So I'm gonna get this together and take it out for a flight for you guys. See you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm glad I replaced all the links. When I replaced all the links, there were like 4 links that had cracks in them. So it would have been a bad thing. Like I say, the heli gods are looking out for me. So everything's reset. Swash plate is leveled. Blades are set to 12.5 pitch. Let's go out and see how this thing flies. Okay guys, let's see how this thing does. Let's check the blades. They seem to be tracking good. Seems to be okay. Let's go for a little spin.
Time of 3 minutes.
Flying good, flying pretty good. Seems to be flying okay. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. It's doing pretty good.
Time, 1 minute. Order idle.
Well, there you have it. Links are replaced. Live to fly another day. So that's it, guys. Another successful chapter. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.